Technology and innovations of the Middle Ages. The term Dark Ages has been used, but was it dark? In other words, were the Middle Ages a time when mankind stagnated, or was it a time of important inventions and innovations? For this project, you will make a presentation that shows that your area of technology and innovation was the most important in the Middle Ages and today. The Middle Ages Museum will be opening a new wing and are looking to hire a group of historians to be in charge of setting up the new wing, and will give them a lucrative contract. During the contract, you must make a presentation showing that your area of technology and innovation was the most important. The presentation should tell why it was important in the Middle Ages and its importance historically and how it impacts man today. A quick example of how you would make this presentation would be if you had been assigned the car and you were doing the 20th century. You would discuss that in the 20th century the car was important for transportation and it allowed people to move out of the cities. Then, to put it into historical context, you would say it led to the assembly line and industry, it led to a system of highways, it led to better transportation for all. You can also discuss spin-offs from the car, like the fact that it led to fast food restaurants and malls. Also, talk about changes in ideas. It gave people a feeling of freedom and individualism. Finally, tell how it impacts us today. Even if the item is not around today, it did lead to items that are here today. Let's say we were in the Jetsons' time and people no longer use cars. The Jetsons do use individual transportation, and there is still a sense of individualism, so I would discuss both of those things. The assembly line is still used to make things, and even though the car is not around, it does still have an effect on the Jetsons. And finally, I would have to prove all the things that I am discussing. We will have 6 areas of technology and innovation that will be competing. Agricultural technology, 3-field rotation, heavy plows, horseshoes, horse collars, artisan wells, and wheelbarrows. Time and navigation, mechanical clock, hourglass, astronomical clock, compass, traverse board, stern-mounted rudders. Industrial technology and innovation, tidal mills, blast furnaces, vertical windmills, spinning wheels, water mills, flash lock and pound locks, water wheel, cloth factory, paper mill, rolling mill, horizontal loom. Weapon technology and innovation, cannon, longbow, counterweight, trabuc, steel crossbow, plate armor, chainmail, flail. Knowledge technology and innovations, Arabic numerals, universities, printing press, paper, algebra, or general. In other words, what Mr. Williams couldn't figure out where to put it. Spectacles, chess, mirrors, oil paint, quarantine, weighing scales, buttons, magnets, and soap.